Hi, my name is Andrea Mauk. I'm with my home group and the Prescott Elite Team, and we are here filming our third quarter market update for real estate in Prescott, Arizona and surrounding communities. And we're here filming at Tri-City Aesthetics and Wellness.
Hi there, everyone. My name is Jennifer O'Neill, and I'm a nurse here at Tri-City Aesthetics and Wellness.
Hi there, my name is Phil Schaefer. I'm a family and acute care nurse practitioner at Tri-City Aesthetics and Wellness, and we are very passionate about helping you understand all of our new therapies here.
Yes, so our big passion is we really want to help people look and feel their best from the inside out. We offer an amazing variety of services to help get you there. That includes multiple IV therapies. We offer medically managed weight loss. We also offer hormone replacement therapy because, again, you can look as good as you want, but if you don't feel great, then none of it matters. With the aesthetics, we do offer dermal fillers. We offer an advanced aesthetic approach to help you look naturally beautiful.
And she's very right. We are very passionate about helping you feel good from the inside out. And we would love to talk to you more about all these therapies. You can visit our website at tricityaesthetics.com. You can give us a call at 928-515-3096.
We cannot wait to help you look and feel your best from the inside out.
It's Peter Medal with My Home Group Real Estate. Thank you for joining us on our third quarter real estate market report and economic development report for Prescott and Yavapai County. First off, I want to throw out some national data. The early phase of the home buying process is the mortgage application process. We are seeing an uptick in mortgage applications nationwide, and housing starts. We did see a little downtick in permits from the early part of COVID. And then as we moved into April and May, they started up again, and we are back on track for a very strong and healthy new home throughout the United States. Home prices. The 2020 forecast from the National Association of Realtors shows a 2020 forecast of a 3 to 5% price appreciation, and the 2021 forecast is a 2 to 3% rise in home prices. Home sales are expected to increase for 2020 about 3% over 2019 and a 6 to 10% growth rate for 2021. The National Association of Realtors chief economist had an opportunity to be on a Zoom call with him last month, and their economic and commercial market forecast, our GDP growth for 2019 was 2.3%, and despite COVID, the forecast for 2020 was minus 6%. We'll see how we end up for the year, but the 2021 forecast is plus 3% for the gross domestic product forecast. Job gains, we looked at 2.2 million jobs were created in 2019. In 2020, the forecast was minus 4 million from the drop in employment from COVID, but we'll see a nice healthy gain. For Yavapai County, we are just below 75,000 full-time jobs, and projected for 2020 is about 85,000. All right, so next thing I want to talk about is the Prescott Area Opportunity Zone. And the Opportunity Zones are federally designated areas that offer tax incentives to encourage those with a capital gains tax burden to invest in low-income or undercapitalized areas. And we have an area that is on the north side of Gurley Street and on the west side of Willow Creek Road, butting up to the Indian Reservation. And any investments made in those areas where you're going to be doing any kind of building growth, and if you hold on to the asset for more than 10 years, then you are looking at a tax-free gain after 10 years of ownership on the property. Next up, we have the Prescott Airport. PRC is our ticker symbol. We have two major capital undertakings underway going on at the airport. The lion's share is project funding is coming from the FAA. We have our new terminal that's going to be online here in the first quarter of 2021. It is an 18,000 square foot passenger terminal facility, and once that is completed, we are looking at adding Dallas, Texas, and a Bay Area hub to add to our current of LAX and Denver Airport. Talking to John Heine, the Prescott Economic Development Director with the City of Prescott, their focus right now is to bring in high-tech industry into our community, cybersecurity, aerospace, defense, aviation, and to link up with higher ed. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University is our university, and by focusing on these industries, we are going to be able to capitalize on keeping those kids right here in our little community. Next up, we have CP Technologies, they are a military hardware and software and drone manufacturing company. They are bringing in a 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility that is currently under construction, and in long term will be adding about 500 jobs. Other companies that have developed and started here is Aviation and Catalyst. Next up is the Arizona Eco Development, and they have basically a plan in play for the Save the Dells community to protect the Point of Rocks facility to set aside as a preserve, and then going to be building all around that. Major project developments that are coming on board in Prescott. Saddlewood is a community by Dorn Homes, which is one of the first phases of the Deepwell Ranch. Next up is the Westwood. They have 83 planned homes on the south portion of the phase 1, and the north portion will follow suit. Whispering Rock has Banner Hospital is under construction right now. We have a hospital coming online over there. Multiple new single-family detached communities throughout our area are nearing completion, including Walden Farms, and more residential units coming out in Yavapai Hills. The Hilton Garden Hotel, that should be coming online in first quarter of 2021. There's 100 rooms plus a conference facility, and you can see that construction happening now at the corner of Montezuma and Sheldon Street. Recent rankings: Prescott's top 10 cities for well-being in the Gallup poll from February 2018, top 25 hottest secondary markets in the US by smartasset.com, one of the safest cities in Arizona by securitybaron.com, top 5 places in Arizona, where Arizona's Christmas City. Next up is the Deepwell Ranch. 1,800 acres. There is 8,800 planned residential units. There is a town center that is going to be a part of Deepwell Ranch, major retail mega power center, as well as an entertainment urban mixed-use facility. Trinity Christian School just broke ground on a 17-acre facility that they hope to have online by the beginning of the school year for August of 2021. And then moving on to the Dells. The Dells is in phase 3. So we have Mandalay, Dorn, Carrington, a lot of different building opportunities to get into the Dells. Next up is Jasper. Jasper is 2 square miles, 1,200 acres. There is 2 builders that are building in Jasper. There is 13 phases of construction. Mandalay is about a third of the way through in phase 1, and Capstone is about a fourth of the way through on their phase 1. Homes ranging anywhere in the 350 to 1.2 million price range. New multi-family residential, Willow Creek Apartments. They are now moving in people, as well as Creek View Village Apartments right on Miller Valley Road. Yavapai County employment. Interesting on this chart, COVID job losses mainly were coming from the restaurant, hospitality, and small business, and data through July of 2020 were down 1% from the previous year. However, that's through July. Through August, September, and October, and November, we're seeing a large growth of jobs coming back into play in Yavapai and Prescott. Yavapai County tends to follow whatever is happening in Maricopa County, and we are a part of that whole Sun Corridor, which basically is Tucson, Phoenix, and of course Yavapai County. And just the numbers for Metro Phoenix, active listings were at 8,200 units, which is down 42%. Listings under contract were up 35%, and the median home sales prices were up 17% over third quarter of last year at 330,000. And month supply of homes in Phoenix was 1.4. All right, so getting right into the nuts and bolts for the Quad Cities. Quad Cities is Prescott, Prescott Valley, Chino Valley, Dewey Humboldt, and then of course we added Paulden and Mayer. Right now our current homes for sale is 387 units. This time last year there was just under 1,300. So we're dealing with a third of the inventory. We have 703 pending sales, and year to date our sales volume is just above 3,000 units, up 4% over last year, plus 117 units. Sales breakdown, 20% of sales are cash, 16% are FHA VA finance sales, and that is down from about 19-20% from the year over year. So we're seeing less and less FHA VA sales, and then conventional finance sales are up to 54%. Market price ranges in the quads, 21% of all units were in the less than 250 price range. That number is continuing to drop. 250 to 350, accounts for 32% of our market. 350 to 500,000 accounts for 26%. 500 to 750,000 accounts for 18%, and above 750,000 is 3% of our sales. Sales prices in the area is 385,000. Last year it was 350. So we're looking at a uptick of a 10% price appreciation. Our current month supply of homes, our absorption rate is 1.1. So there's only about a month supply of homes. Active inventory, the list prices are at 242. Many of those are built to suit or to be built homes. Pending sales are 218, and homes sold through third quarter 2018 was 178, 183 in 2019. And third quarter 2020, we saw the average price per square foot to be $196 per square foot. The average days on market for active inventory is 87 days, or just under 3 months. Pending sales are at 2 months. Third quarter is 69 days, a slight uptick from 2019 at 63 days. All right, land. Land is 2262 is the active number of land for sale in our area, with 207 pending listings. 771 sold. This time last year, we had 691 sold. So we're seeing an 11% increase in sales volume. Sold prices averaged out to 102, and the average third quarter sales prices were 94. So we're seeing an 8.5% price appreciation. I'm Peter Medal. I'm with the Prescott Elite Team, co-founder. We help people make Prescott their hometown. If you have any questions, give us a shout at 928-597-5151. Thanks very much for watching this, and we look forward to hearing from you guys.